Hi viewers, welcome to my channel The Math Habit. Today I'm here again with another problem in front of you and we have to evaluate the value of x from it. So let's directly go for the solution as our problem is 4 to the power 2x plus 2 power x is equal to 260 and we have to evaluate the value of x from it. Now here we'll write this in the form of 2 power 2 whole power 2x plus 2 power x is equal to 260. 2 power 2 is equal to 4, so this and this are equal to each other. Now we can multiply the parts as 2 power 4x plus 2 power x is equal to 260. Now I will just rearrange it as 2 power x whole power 4 plus 2x is equal to 260. Now here we have to assume something as, let's assume that y is equal to 2 power x. So now y power 4 from here plus y for 2 power x is equal to 260. Now I'll just write 260 in the form of it. Y plus 4 plus y is equal to 256 plus 4, so that 256 can be written in the form 4 power 4 plus 4, and on the left hand side we have y power 4 plus y. Now by comparison the left hand side of equation and right hand side to each other, we can write y power 4 is equal to 4 power 4, and here if the powers are same then we can write bases equal to each other, y is equal to 4, and here in comparison y is also equal to 4. So this is the answer we have found out, but we should remember that y is not in the equation we are solving, as we assumed y is equal to 2 power x here. So now it's time to put the value of y is equal to 4 and 2 power x, as we can write it as 2 power 2 is equal to 2 power x. If the bases are same then we can write the parts equal to each other, so x is equal to 2. So this is the value of x we have found out, but it is time to verify the value of x is equal to 2 whether it is satisfying our equation or not. As our initial equation was 4 to the power 2x plus 2 to the power x is equal to 260. By putting the values of x, 4 to the power 2 into 2 plus 2 power 2 is equal to 260. 4 power 4 plus 4 is equal to 260, and as we know that 4 power 4 is equal to 256 plus 4 is equal to 260, and 260 is equal to 260. Hence proved that left hand side is equal to right hand side and x is equal to 2 is the final and real answer to this math problem, which is satisfying our equation 4 to the power 2x plus 2 to the power x is equal to 260. Hit like button if you enjoyed the video and never forget to subscribe my channel The Math Habit. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Wait for my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.